In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a simple Trello Kanban board that actually works. We're diving back into Trello, whether you're opening it for the first time or just polishing your workflow. I'll guide you through a clean, reliable setup that keeps projects moving smoothly. First, create a new board. Log into your Trello account, then click the plus icon labeled Create at the top of the dashboard. Choose Create Board. Give it a clear, relevant name, something like Project Plan or Content Calendar, and click Create. A descriptive title helps everyone instantly understand what belongs on this board. Next, map your workflow using lists. In Trello, lists are your Kanban columns, each one representing a stage in your process. Click. Add another list on the far right and start with a simple three-stage flow: backlog or to do for everything you haven't started, doing or in progress for what's actively being worked on, and done for completed items. If your team needs more detail, feel free to add planning, review, testing, or blocked. The key is to mirror how work truly moves for you without overcomplicating it. Now populate the board with task cards. In your first list, typically backlog, click Add a card. Type an actionable title like Draft Q3 Report and hit Enter. Keep titles focused and specific, ideally starting with a strong verb. Then drag cards to arrange them from top to bottom in order of priority. This visual stack makes it easy to see what matters most at a glance. Open any card to enhance it with helpful details. Add a checklist to break larger tasks into smaller, finishable steps. This creates momentum and makes progress visible. Apply color-coded labels such as urgent, bug, or design to quickly categorize and prioritize. Assign members so accountability is clear and set due dates to create a realistic timeline. Keep checklists short and labels consistent so your board stays readable as it grows. When your setup is in place, start the Kanban flow. Pull work from left to right, choosing the next highest priority card from your backlog. Limit your work in progress by keeping only a few cards in the doing column at any time. Finishing what's started is more efficient than starting more. Drag cards across the board as they move through each stage, and celebrate the win by moving them to done. This rhythm keeps work focused, visible, and finish-oriented. If you found value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.